We'll demonstrate the Granitos stitch. First, bring the needle up on the right side of the line. Take the needle down on the left side of the line. Bring the needle up again at the same spot. Take it down through the same hole on the left. Continue bringing the needle up at the same spot. Take it down through the same hole. This stitch is similar to the straight stitch. It's a raised stitch made of multiple layers of straight stitch. Build up 3 to 4 layers. Layer them over one another like this. This creates a raised oval shape. So keep layering the stitches. That's what creates this raised effect. Bring the needle up. Take the needle down. Pull the thread. Don't pull the thread too tight. If it's too tight, it won't create this raised effect. Instead, the stitches will look too tight, and it won't look as nice. The Granitos stitch can be used for floral designs. It also works well for decorative designs. If 3 layers aren't full enough, you can build up 4 or 5 layers. This will give you a fuller result. Follow these steps to complete the remaining section. Once you're finished, you can use the needle like this to gently fluff it up and make the stitches look fuller. Let's see how it looks.